Hello everybody, my name is Saran and this is Flora, what are you doing? You're writing. It's one of your clues. Oh, in here. A book. Again. Notebook. Oh, it's a notebook. Oh, okay, so is that a clue to our sound today? Oh, okay, so the clue is notebook. So can you think what sound it might be today? Notebook. Is it the sound n? It's the sound n. Okay, do you want to put it down? There we go. And then you thought of a really good word, didn't you? You looked up to the sky and you said Neptune. So Neptune is the solar system's 8th planet. And don't you think it must be, it must be really cold there because it's the furthest away from the sun. And did you know that Neptune has 14 known moons? I know, look, he's in shock. 14. We have one moon on our planet Earth, but there's 14. Yeah, Neptune has 14 moons. Amazing. So, shall we find out what the sound n looks like? The sound is n. The letter name is N. This is a capital letter N. This is a small letter N. We'll see you again. Bye.